Okay, what's happening, guys? We're traveling out to Charlotte and we're gonna go watch football players practice at Carolina Panthers Fan Fest, or Panthers Fan Fest.
Keep pounding.
In the back of the seat, it's like 400 degrees, sweating on me. I got on a black tee and black shorts and white shoes. I'm a truck driver now. I don't need to use the bathroom. I'm sticking to my word.
You don't?
No, I know how to hold it. I lied, I do need to use the restroom actually. I need to pee really bad.
Let's go, baby. Let's get this W. Against each other.
Against each other. Let the best man win. That's the official Panther truck. The Kitty Mobile. In honor of the, you gotta get my face. In honor of the Carolina Panthers practicing, we're going to shotgun, because that's what they do down in the South. Went all over me. Go Panthers.
We on 77. We better be back before 11. I'm about to go see Baker Mayfield. I don't know what else to fucking say. I can't rap on cue.
From what I'm gathering from this city, everybody wears nice casual button downs and suits. I split from the group to get a scooter because there's like 100 of them down this block. I'm like, get that. Look, it's checkers because we're in front of the NASCAR Hall of Fame. I'm doing this one-handed on the sidewalk. I'm breaking all sorts of rules. Please, I'm sorry. NASCAR Hall of Fame. Look, NASCAR Hall of Fame. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. We Hall of Faming at the NASCAR before the game. Who's dangerous? Some Malik's dangerous adventures. I don't want to fall, especially in front of all these people. Falling in front of people is embarrassing. It's like a cookout for Panther fans. Trying to sell tickets to a practice game.
Next time. Yeah, we just didn't get it together, man. Gotta be better. Gotta be better. Practice. There's a lot going on.
It is. It's a lot. There's a lot to catch up with, to be honest. There's people running. There's people catching. I mean, ooh, you got to see it for yourself. What y'all see is what I'm seeing. It's credible. It was fun. I mean, it was pretty fun. We went in there. We saw the practice. We got what we paid for. Tickets weren't expensive. I recommend for a Fan Fest event, if you're like a diehard fan of the team, it's kind of what it's for. It's for fans. So if you're a fan, you'll truly appreciate this moment. I'm not really a fan, but it was cool. For my friends that were fans, they really enjoyed it. So I recommend this experience. If you get a chance to go to a team fan event, go to it. I know if it was a Giants Fan Fest, I would be ecstatic to go. If it was a Knicks Fan Fest, I would be through the roof for it. So I recommend it. But yeah, this was the Fan Fest. We're gonna head out here a little bit early just because it's just practice and fan stuff, fan service. So yeah, thanks for sticking by.